All right.
It's December 7th. Oh! And you banged your head on your cereal bowl. It's going to be your first cereal. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Your first bite of solid food.
Come on, buddy.
You don't look very hungry.
Kane.
Here. Oh, his mouth's moving. Oh! Woo! Mmm.
Yummy, buddy.
Look at those lips. Oh, I think he likes it. Here, let's try some more.
Ooh, big boy.
Mmm.
Big boy.
Yum. Oh,
he likes
big
it.
boy. Here it goes. Here.
Kane. Come on, buddy.
Some more. Mmm. Nom nom. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Here.
Kane. Come on.
Oh, he's doing good.
You are doing good. You're like a champ.
Mm. Ooh, good job. Yummy. Want some more? He's eating it real good.
Oh, crap. Whoops.
Technical difficulties.
Phenomenological differences.
Mm. Yum, yum. Mm. Some more? Oh, the cat's
Nope.
gonna come get some too.
Everybody wants the rice cereal. Kitty.
Ah!
Gum. Mm. Yum, yum.
Keeps trying to spit it
No, actually, he's doing pretty good.
He's doing really good.
He's kind of chewing it or gumming it. Oh, the fist tastes much better. Oh!
Oh, that was great.
Yummy! Some more? Nom, nom.
You got that quick.
Mmm. Here. Some more. Nom, nom, nom.
Jump. Nom 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 nom.
Yeah. Mmm. Wait a minute, I could like this.
He's trying to eat it off his bib. Is that good stuff, buddy?
Oh, boy. Nom, nom, nom. Here. Oh. Mmm.
Rice cereal popsicle.
Yeah, he wants to eat it off his bib. Here. Some more. Oh, look at that. Come here. Look at him just chomp away. Oh, good. Here. Here's some more. Oh. I think he likes it. Here. Meow. Meow, meow. Mmm. Good. Mmm.
Is that good stuff, buddy? Is that good stuff?
Oh, yeah. Here. No. Here. You just Good, good, good. Big boy. Mm-hmm.
Come on, buddy.
He's doing great.
He's doing really good. Kane. Kane. Hey, buddy. Up here.
I just want that spoon here. Mm. Oh, it's gonna drip. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, big boy. Mmm. Oh, I'll just feed it right back to you off your bib. There you go. There you go. Just chowing down. Oh, woo, woo. Oh, my. Now it's all the way up your nose. Here. Let's let Daddy try some.
Hmm?
Let's let Daddy try some.
You want me to eat some?
No, try to give him some.
Oh, sure.
You can eat some if you want.
Yeah.
You can eat the rest.